Hello, my people. Good evening. I'm back again, your girl, your friend, with amazing gisting. Yes, so I'm back again. Yes, my people. I'm back again with my story. So, okay. So, my people, I don't come back again. Today na Wednesday, yes. You get what you want to talk. Now, me I still can't come at me. I can tell my people. You understand? So only one of you talk for the matter. You understand? So me I still let my people know, my people for Facebook or my loved ones. Now, me I still bring the matter. More of us still listen to the matter. More know what you want talk for the matter. You understand? So now, my people. So sorry, you get one of my girlfriend. She called me last week Sunday, yeah. She called me. So when she called me now, I said, what did they have? Because they explain so kind things, so these things, na family matter, you understand? I said, okay. Because me I see a pan, carry a come out. Now make me, now she still permit me, now make me still come out for YouTube. Now, as me I still carry on, me I still talk and come out to my people, you understand? So now, so my people, now go say today. So then she go tell me say the matter go like this. You see, her father married 3 wives. You understand? And more than a second. You understand? More than a second. So when she don't come out, she did Europe. So when she come out, he get one woman where her father they friend before. So later. Because he married down how many wives? 4 wives. Now father come get. Meanwhile, the girl mother, that one don't die. See. You understand? That one don't die. See. So later, this girl father, you see her father could still die. You understand? I was okay. I go say, what you call the happen? What's gonna be the problem now? You say not be the problem. Say, but what be the problem now? Our stepmother. That one for die. That one for die now. You understand? So as that one die now, as that one die no matter as the day this year, they will call them for us. She said she don't want to call. You say I made the tell her say she not call. You say I made the tell her one tell her say she go call them. You understand? Because you say sorry, she be say she don't want. We say na her and that's their auntie. I don't want to call her. They tell her, say, my pikin, you go call them for us. You understand? Your step brothers. Because of what he happened so. She go so, okay. Now she go say, she be no one call them. You understand? Now she go say, you know me. Later, then she say she go tell her auntie, say, me, see, but the thing be there, and man, me she call. You understand? But once they tell her, say, me she no call. You say that the motherless auntie, mother sister. Now they were called to say, that one know me. You understand? As I said, they know me. Call there, cause okay. Me was tell her now. So that this girl, so the one we call me so, her sister. So her sister, now she go. This one we call me so. She go tell her sister, say, see what they will see. They say, cause okay, no problem. Now her sister. The other sister, that one cost me, she go call them. Then she goes, okay. He said, I don't carry phone. The next day, I don't carry phone, they call them. As he carry phone, they call them. As they don't call that one, they go call their stepsister. That's their senior stepsister. Sorry. Their senior stepsister. And I go, she go call that one. You understand? Because my mother, not their mother, and that. You understand? He said, when she called that one, she call, that one pick the phone. She dey tell her say wrong number. Then she go say wrong number. He say now she call that sister call back that very day. When that one cut the phone, that stepsister cut. She can't call back again that moment. He say that the same thing. That one still tell her wrong number. I go say so. Cause okay no problem. She go rest. Now she go call that sister so the one we call me, the one we tell me so. So her sister. Now that one has no sister. So that's not that I got call this guest. We call it to her say, see what he happen. She call their small sister for us. See as don't want to talk to her. And I go say, I talk to she said to her, because when she even call the woman, that one she carried the phone. Because he'll be there, he can't tell her name. Because say, na me. He said she want to reply. Because say wrong number. He said now she still carry the phone. The same thing I still tell. Because say he just tired for all this kind of matter. You understand? Me don't know why they call it verse. My mom, she say her mother don't die. Tete, her father don't die. Okay, no, your mama don't die now. You understand? No, ma. Now because we be step brother and step sister. You understand? He said, "Nah, cause where she will call." So that sister, that's not I could tell the one way tell me so. So that the one way come so we see me I bring this matter so. Now she call the verse. He say she don't want call again. You understand? Say she don't want call again. She consider because she no go call again because waiting they tell her sister so she no go call again. The girl come verse. She come verse. So now the girl call the talk. So now the girl call talk say, but because say she go call later. She go say this now. She go call them. You understand? So I go say go call them. I go say okay, no problem. If you call them, that one still is still good. Now the girl say, but if she call them, she herself want know what want happen. Sorry, she want know what they want to tell her. If now still the same thing, they still tell her sister. Now they want to tell her, she go know what she want do. You understand? So not be say the girl don't call her now. What she dey tell because now she coming, she still coming to do while they sleep. Now she's the tell me, I beg me I talk the matter because me know only one of you answer the family matter question. You understand, my people? Now see me I still carry the family matter question. The family matter come out. Maybe my people still look the matter. Mona still talk. Put you understand? Now see me I still carry come out. I beg my people because only one of you talk this matter. Only one of you put answer for this thing. Now not say no call her or no go. No. She herself go call them. She herself go know waiting they still tell her. Because now waiting she still talk herself. She go call them. She wants to know what is still happen. Whether they want to tell her that kind of thing or the same thing or another thing, me she still know. You understand? So now my people now me I can't come out. I beg. If not this matter why they talk, so I beg. Moon, if not don't listen to the starting to the end. I beg. Anything when I see for this matter, any question, I beg. No you forget. No hesitate to put the comment for the man for still understand. No understand. Because one person not fit dey talk. One person you can family matter. No. One person not can answer me. I still can come and I beg. The question, if na still watch her, any I'm gonna drop on a comment for them. I'm gonna drop on a comment. Then my people I beg. Me I still know. Through that comment, I still know what I want to talk. I want to stay. You know understand? I want to stay talk to the girl. So now my people, you understand? So because okay, you know say Nigeria, you know say my people, you know say Nigeria people they do one thing. They do one thing. You feel just the call now. You go the call there. You go the call. You feel use your head. You feel do this one. So you want to do. No say a person will get money now. They call. Anyway, she more fairly for that one because me and you with the talk. Me and you with the look me with the talk. So me and you will know what they have as they be for Nigeria. You understand? So this girl, this matter why they talk just now. So the girl go say she can. Because okay go call. Yeah. When that sister tell her, she herself say me, she can sit down later. She say she go come, but say she go still call. But she said she can sit down later. She can't reason this matter. Say me, not be people why talk say I want go help because no man my people no say this coronavirus. Me and you know say if person die for Nigeria, people they come us now. People come for us, food to come for us. You know now. You must spend money say you want to buy food for us. At least before they start the burial, the girl they talk. He said before, sorry, the girl said before they start the burial, see what she want do. You know understand? At least if anything still enter and chap like this, maybe God still bless her. They say 100, say 150. Say go see send down and give them. Excuse me, they still take buy things for her. No say people they come now, especially with Korea's day. So hey. As Korea day, so people they out there, we do not see it. People they hungry out there. People out there they get their fucking money. They know they help them. They are not doing anything. They know they help their fellow human being. Yes, That one fit just dey suffer, and go just dey there, just see and say, man, you get. For you to your pull one, for you to, man, for you to pull one for your pocket or buy, carry am enter motor, if na motor, anyone give am on anyone thing you want to, just give am. Take buy food, take buy anything we know you want to do for them. It's not bad now, where people still open business for people who not to get now. Man, understand, my body. It's still there, you understand? So now she can say, this guy, people beyond this one, she says she want to help. They call it talk. No. Which guy talk beyond this one? This one want help. Now they call it talk this one. So anyway, she says she go seek her because she wants to know what they want to tell her. Make she herself know what it will happen. Make she herself know what they still tell her. If na bad thing, if na good thing, make herself know. Make she herself know. You understand? Anyway, you understand? She herself, if she don't call there, she go still call me. Go let me know. You understand? Now people, any, if she still call me, she go still let me know. You understand? So me now, she go still give me a go ahead to carry the matter come out as I still carry and come out today. So I'll still let my people know how she can't work out for the matter. You understand? Because normal people with the Nigeria, you feel all day, people with the Nigeria, they not know how to suffer for Europe. You understand? Not the one where people just stay out there, just the verse. Now say not come you. Now say not this. He not fair the call now. They not fair the call. They not fair the bring something for now. Today not good. It means say tomorrow may not good. So I beg. It good me most still they understand. We still they understand what our still they understand ourselves. You understand? We need to understand ourselves because people will person we want to do for you. Wait there. You know I should find that more. You know I they find that more. They work that more. You know. I be sure you get this say she could just come out outside, just see tree for they just plug the money. Your career come Nigeria, they career they come they send any here. No be say she they pluck her now. She not the pluck her. You understand? So now so they be for Nigeria. They're not there yet. They don't know what they happen for here. If person not come, as far as say the other one they call now. The rest they call now. That one not reach. One I will invest for the other one. Understand? You not reach my people. Because Nigerian people say, all this guy, people, some people from Nigeria, I don't understand my people. I don't understand because you don't feel know as that person be. He should not call you, or him or her, he not call you. Do not say after the fair they do. He not call you today. You know what kill her. You know what happen. Go see you. Now so one person. My people, now so one person tell me. Sorry, my brother. He tell me that time. How many years now? Let's don't reach here. Sorry, let's now 216. Sorry, 216 no. Just sit here now. Let's not that kind 12, 13 they come. You understand? 210, 210. It's sure more people now for you, for Nigeria people now. Not be only one times they'll talk about the talker me you know. They'll talk because they don't know how you be for year. They go be talking. Now say tell me, you say, she want to put Smith shovel. Where the say Smith to my people. You say want to put Smith, and my brother I tell you so. You say want to put Smith, now goes okay. Smith, now that we want hope so. Now go say, that's okay, no problem. Because no say Nigeria people, as you do rich, even though you just do no. You don't do today now. Maybe that thing get us be now. Maybe you cause me I still pity for now. Me I still pity for them. Me I still do this thing. Now that one go worst, my people. God forbid. But now that one go worst. It go too worst. You understand? So now my people. So Nigeria people, it gets how they tell you do their things. You understand? Especially we will call the Europe, so not know as they be. So it good make them still understand. People with they not they pluck money. You understand? Not the one that they quarrel put. You not call me this one. If they call yours now, you will talk, so they call you. You if not you who ask money, you not say some people they talk and say, Igwemiya, money not be everything. And I call yours the important pass. Now call yours the important pass. At least money not there. You see they call. Make that person you when they talk, make that person they call without not giving €1, 10 cents. Without you know verse. No. Tell me now, you go vex. Not be like you must vex. In the call, not be everything. May they call you. If they call you, call you. Give me this thing. If they call you. You know, if oh, sorry. If they okay, yeah. You understand? If they don't call you. You not come see money break. Now you go for the verse for them say, sorry, though. I they use the phone before. No, I they use that until they do something. I go through now. Okay. Sorry, my people. You understand? So now you, if you call, you go tired now. Now you go who they cost me. Now me be telling say money not be everything. This best way they call you. Okay, money not be everything now. You know if you send the €5 for you now. Maybe you not gonna get money for if you use the €5, take 50 for me till they call you. Una where they call, now not fit they say now go they pray for the person. If the person not call now, they will not do one thing now. I start with the verse. Say you not do, you don't do something now. Forget the one way they don't fair do for na past. No, they don't do like that, my people. You understand? Imagine, see that girl just now why they talk this story why they talk just now. Imagine, that girl they don't play for grandson. Any she go try give them money. May stay barefoot for us because people must still come. May they do shopping for us, stay barefoot. Now, see what now still go do to her sister. Her sister now go do what to, I still anyway. Una go do one. Sorry, una go do one to her sister. Imagine, best way they plan. Say no one this. Una do one to her sister. Maybe now still do the one we pass down to her herself. She herself. You don't understand because best way want do for now. Must come maybe because they call the nana on that while I constant. No, sister, they don't still use the anti to wear good luck. It don't go like that, my people. We were there Europe. We are not plucking money. We know the plucker. If we pluck her, my God, you know what everybody for the wow, man, plucking. As I say, maybe that's not a feel with the plucker for this Europe. Mona, you go they do the thing. Mona make sure that tree. If they did this Europe, for you come out the money, just pluck her. And you go look to you go send the money come for now. Maybe not that one. Now they happy. It's not good, my people. It's not good. They don't do like that. Best way they do. It's not gonna do now. Not be the one on the verse. You don't understand? Tomorrow come down now. Tomorrow go come now. That person when they do like that now. The way we will taste. Tomorrow can come be like this. Now can they regret me? If no do like this. No. They don't do like that, my people. You don't understand? They don't do like that. They don't do like that. They don't pluck her. They don't do like that. And person where they talk, so my people, that girl, this girl, so she not get paper. For this girl, so we'll see this matter what they talk. So the girl herself, she herself not get paper. You don't understand? She herself not get paper. But she they try make sure they are okay. But they do another thing. No. We just say talk this matter because they happen for everywhere. Only say they pass body for family, my people. If they pass body, no family will say this one. Hey. If they pass body, you don't understand. If they pass body, one, it still get and now what they do the family where family will be like that. So they go you go. No, you don't understand. Nobody want they quarrel. We don't need to be quarrel. No, we don't need to be. No. We're not supposed to be quarrel. What you want quarrel for? Because of waiting. Because of we not call, they not call because of this. No, not quarrel. You know they do like that. Everything was good. Everywhere we did like this before we back. Where it gets okay, it gets okay far back where you get okay stress when you pass. But you go see they are alive today. You don't say na God one. You don't say na God one. So now my people. So nobody want to quarrel. You understand? According to what I talk, just tell my brother. But I do. I say, I don't feel no. But I still do one. Make sure say me, it's okay. What of the shop now? What of the store? The stuff Smith. You know it's my blood. I not fit kill her. It's my blood. I not fit kill her. Because now what he want? Say me this one. I not fit kill her. And nobody that is me. Nobody fit come meet me. Tell me say me. You just spend money for your friend. Sorry, just spend money for your brother. Just spend money for your brother. Yeah, this is see what you do that. I know it's not a good thing. You understand? He get that kind of people. He get. I know what I'm saying, my people. That kind of people. He gets how they cash them. Not be lie. He gets how you want to cash them. You know that he get where they fall, where they fall put for that trap way for grant. They will know say me. Now my sister, where you do this? Now my sister, even though this thing not good, maybe you do this thing for me. You not call person. This one not call good for me. I'll still call like go sit down. See this. But that your sister one day, he will give you assignment. You are going to answer it. Yes. You are going to answer that assignment. Yes. So you will answer that question. You must answer that question. You will answer the question, of course. You don't understand. So now, so my people, not be the one who just they do. You know do this. No, they don't do like that. I beg. May everybody they come. I beg. May everybody forget say this one. No, I beg. All this one don't reach anything. We person call the quarrel. Come they do this one, that one, this one. And the girl, my people, the girl, she has said who talk and reach like that. Say me. Even as they do they reach, even though they small, where they grow, as they do they reach, but sorry, as they do, but sorry. As they do, they reach, but they are still together. They are still playing because they told even some people as they do, they reach. If they grow, if they don't grow, come, hey, now that everybody because nowhere, everybody, you know why? Now the way they take off, now the way they do their things, they get say they are grow, they are a man, they are a woman. You understand? They forget, say, my children, they come. Where they view the small children, where they come, go they view anything what they are doing, you go they look there. But tomorrow come, go still carry the sit down. Hey, I see you that. Even though not tell her, for example, say, you not tell her. You not go tell her. You know understand? Say, you not tell her. Hey, that means now that small girl, boy, anybody at all, now go tell they look that person. Go just tell they look, cannot be like. Because they don't do from small picky tire. They don't do the tire. But they don't care. They don't care. They don't care. They are still doing their good. The way their mother grow them up, the way their mother do the way their mother do things, and the way because they look their mother the way she's doing her things, so they will still take that step, so that then they will not have quarrel one day. Even though they quarrel no, they will still settle. Yes, you understand? They will still settle. But not be the one who person you quarrel. They say no. You don't understand? So they look there. Everybody, me with sister now, with they look, with the women they look. Cause as me you're me don't sit tire. I sit tire. Me don't sit tire. Tell us they come. Me go carry story come. Enough story. That one am my gisting. Myself gisting. Now I come. Now go enjoy that gisting. Not be say anything because. Now go enjoy that. Cause it's not easy. Person small pikin they grow like it's small. They see many things. They see many things. That small pikin can't grow. Because it grow. As it can't grow now, it can know everything now. So not be the one that one just they do pack. No, they not do that one. You don't understand? Anybody will go do that one, follow me. I go let you know. Say me, hey, me. When I have first ask me, so me they talk my own. You see as I talk so. That's why I tell you talk. I don't care. I will ask you the question. Now me. Sure. I will ask you question and I will still tell you from where they come from, small pikin. If we say more, they remember everything. You know that if they say more, they remember how to take grow, how to take the come, what will they see, all this one. You don't know say people, my people, you don't know say people they will not go to follow the play. They out there. We don't go near them, they don't go near us. They don't go eat off, they don't go to us, we don't go talk to them. We don't go near like this. You don't understand because if we say more, they carry the matter, they come, more remember, say, hey, now so you do me, hey, now so you do me, hey, now so you do me. Who want near shoulder? Who want follow person play? Who want to sorry you still call it so is a wrong number. Don't call me. It's a wrong number. For what reason? It can be a wrong number for your side. I don't care. Now you know. I don't care. I don't give a fuck it. Then, yes, that is me. You understand? So, now my people. Not be the one. Happy my people. Mona, not worry. That's what we're gonna do. You understand? Anybody will go say this one, this one, this one. They're gonna. My people. No, Mona, not my them. Nigeria people. Most of them. Hey, family matter. Family matter. Hey, that one a war. Family matter. That one a war. That one a big problem war. Because if family matter don't come, what do they pray for? See me? Family matter. Hey, this one. More no go. Make them no match their say. Make them no match our team. Make them go more they go. Do you understand? Because if you say as they bring the public or family, if you say me they talk me my sister, my brother, you say you could tire because no need. No need. Not be now call it do no need. You understand? Who say he wants just the who say he wants to do that kind of one? Bang bang. Me just they do one. Me just they do one. You understand? As they do that thing, we there with the robust because no time. We they enjoy because no time. Because you are not the one that creates me. You are not the one that creates me. How will I be afraid of you? It can never be, yes. Because you are not my God. Do you understand? So, now I met people. So, now I say I still talk with my people. So, I beg anything. As I still talking, so I beg. I don't first talk just now. As now I still see, I beg. Drop your comments. I beg. I beg. Drop your comments. Okay? I beg, please. Drop your comments. Okay? And you subscribe and drop your comments and like and subscribe and share. You guys are free to share my video. Okay? Share. You are free. Okay? Please, you are free to share my video. I love you. Okay? And you still get one to talk. This one on my own. Because I don't still talk that one. Me, I still talk my own, my people. You understand? But people still get what say sorry. It still get where I go today. Today when I go, I surprise you. You see? Now only one I see for where I see. As I reach there, as they go, we don't know say maybe they not agree or they will grow this way. Just just talk this one, that one, this one. But inside me, I know say me, God will do it. But where I go there today, you see miracle? I'm surprised. Everything where they say this, that, this one. Yes, everything is mine. It's for me. You see? That is what I'm happy. Sorry, that is what I'm happy for. You see, so when I make people happy, anything, let me people talk and say me, I beg. Anything we person they do, what they do against now, what they do any, what they do some, talk this one, do this one. Mona let them know say me. My testimony will shock you. Yes. And when you are praying, still have faith on it. You know, say I don't faith talk. Me, I don't faith talk. Me, we still they talk so no man. I don't faith still happen. I go talk, I go pray, I go do this one, I go do this one. I know we'll get fit. Now I sit down and I say, now God, now creates me. What do you want to make me the fear? God forbid. No, nothing will make me fear. God forbid. Nothing will make me fear. Nothing. What do you want to make me fear? What do you want to make me call this? Everybody, whatever they do, like, they go do and they go tired. As you they do the matter, me go there. No, see, me go there robust. I go there enjoy. I go there flex. You see, so now my people. So just the test, my destiny will shock you. Okay? Now see me, I still come out to me, I still carry as I talk this game matter. Me, I still put my own small for his side, bro. You understand? That's me, I still put on. I just see talking. Let me say, if I say I want talking, they go break, they go that, cause not God too much. Cause that miracle is for God. Not for God. You don't understand? So now see me I still carry small one. Come on. Me I still talking to my people. Mostly listen. That's sorry. I see me I still carry and come out to now. Still listen to my testimony. You don't understand? So time they come, I don't feel talking just now. I must talk my own. Time they come, I will talk my own. He say talk my home, I go talk my home. I go talk my matter. If I talk, if I dey talk, I go dey enjoy. Not be like, oh, now make me turn and say, I beg, more subscribe. Because even I subscribe, my people, anytime what they do my video, the way with that bell till they enter my phone, bang, 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 bang. If you press and you don't follow up, you don't go, don't follow the matter. The kind gist, amazing gist where you go to hear, the kind amazing story where you go to hear, my people, you go to enjoy them. You understand? I beg, subscribe, okay? Thank you. God bless you. Thank you. Please put your comments so that we understand. So that we understand. So that we understand, okay? I will understand. I will understand. You get what you want to talk. I don't forget that. You leave that one. You know, next time I will still talk that one. You understand? So, no problem. On Sunday, I will still come back, okay? To give my sweet people, my lovely people, for the giving sweet story, sweet video. Una go Sunday while I still talk, una go laugh, una go tire. Now hear my people, okay? Thank you very much. God bless you, okay? Please share. Thank you. Put your comment, like and share. I love you. See you on Sunday. Bye. Love you. Bye.